So Bruno, I just wanted to talk to you a little bit about windows. What does one do when there's condensation and buildup in the windows in their home?
Condensation happens because there's no air actually hitting the glass. So when you purchase blinds, we recommend that you actually leave it open during the day to allow air to flow up against the glass. If it's completely closed, no air hits it, and you will get a lot of condensation buildup on the bottom of the window during the winter months.
When do you need to replace your windows, Bruno?
When you say replace windows, are you talking about replacing the whole window or actually replacing the glass within that window? Because you will have window seal failure from time to time. There will be windows where you'll actually get moisture between the two panes of glass. You can actually call a window manufacturer and they will actually come and replace for a lot less expensive than it is to replace your whole
entire window.
Your entire windows. Entire windows, it all depending on the placement of your house. How much sun hits it, 15, 20 years.
20 years, yeah.